Panchayati Union Primary School, Setitangal. Importance of education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you, respected headmaster, teacher, parents, and my friends. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. For that it is very important to get a proper education. The word education not only means acquiring knowledge. The first objective of getting good education is to become a successful person in personal and professional life. Good education will always increases our confidence level and it helps us to determine what is right and what is wrong. For us, education makes us the right thinker and right decision maker. Education helps you to develop personality and earn recognition and respect in the family and society. Education is the fundamental right of everyone. Education is the most valuable treasure that will make you a successful human being. Thank you.